course, to our dear Governor, Glenda B. Egleo. Of course, to our ever-working workaholic, Vice Governor Ben Glenn B. Egleo, sir. Of course, with our provincial officials, we have here our SP members, Board Gulfo and Board Sarita. To our provincial administrator, who is always active participating to our different programs and activities. Of course, to the different teams composing this Capital Olympics 2015. Honored guests, if there are, family, members, friends, to all the athletes, of course, I hope we come together to help create individual and team stories for competition, inspiration, determination, sportsmanship, and friendship. So to continue, we will have the hoisting of the provincial banner and team honors. May I request our provincial vice governor, together with our provincial administrator and team managers. The